here on the NauticStar 203 DC, right next to our 223 DC. The bow area feels pretty much the same. Same forward deck. Same chair. Mount. Dual console. Back here in this area feels tighter. This is where you feel the difference between the 223 and the DC. Not as much room. And then you've got the wet bar, whereas the 223 you have the head there. This 203 does not have a head. So if the head is something you think you might use, 223 is the obvious choice. Same engine, same Yamaha 150 on both boats. Right now, they're actually priced within $1,000 of each other because the 223 we have here is a leftover 2018, all brand new. Same factory warranties start at the day of purchase, all that. It's just a couple model years older. So that's why there's not more of a difference in price. So value-wise, I would definitely think that the 223 is a little better value if you think you'll use the head, and even if you don't think you'll use the head, then it's nice to have for storage, and chances are it will end up being used in an emergent situation, even if you don't think you plan on using it. This is the era. It just feels a little more roomy on this boat. That 203 is just a little tighter in there.
I've already got